This dude strikes the dog and he's twice in the head with a helmet. So they deployed the tasers. They proved to be ineffective. If you've seen the video, guy charges the officer. Struck one of them in the head with this helmet. Goes on to punch him. Now, boy, you look at a photograph of him. He sure doesn't look like a criminal, does he? I mean, I don't know what a criminal looks like, but that's a good-looking man right there in his mugshot.
Yeah, it's gonna be a problem.
Punched another officer with his fist. They were finally able to subdue him. The 3 officers and the K-9 suffering some minor injuries, as I'm sure that this guy is. But he's in good hands now with the police there in Sonora. I want to ask you a question. I just brought that up because I just saw that clip as I was coming on the air here, and it looked pretty wild and crazy. I got a couple serious things. Can I start off with just a light topic tonight, Kendall? Is that okay? It's like a little light thing. Very
yes, and that website is sportscardsroadshow.com.
Yeah,
that's what it was. Not baseball cards.
Right.
Yeah.
And how hard can it be to remember sports cards?
Sportscardsroadshow.com.
Thank you. Sports card pie is sportscardsroadshow.com. Yeah. So let me just for fun. Doesn't have to be a big, heavy topic. I know it's around dinner time, and
like your style.
But just for a couple of minutes, we're gonna do a little flash poll. We haven't done one of those in a while. A little flash poll. I'd like to ask you, based on last night, one of the things that I had Kai look at was a packet of wax packs. Now, these are baseball cards that have never been opened, 1975. And there's, what, like 10, I have 10 more, maybe 10 more. So maybe I have 15, 20 of these packs. As we heard Ty say, we'll pretend, even if you don't collect sports cards, let's pretend like it's Let's Make a Deal. Monty Hall. I'm Monty Hall, Kendall is Jay, and then we'll ask you, hopefully if you're dressed up as a carrot or something, for those of you who enjoy Let's Make a Deal. The guys told me that each one of these packs of cards kind of were worth, probably, depending on the condition, and they should be pretty good, $200 to $300 or more each for the pack. But he also told me that there could be, from that year, 1975, a George Brett rookie. Great George Brett, who played for the Kansas City Royals. And if you heard, he told me that that card, if you happen to have it, is worth $10,000 and up. $10,000 if you have the right card. If you have those cards in your hand, and you're like...
Not how you make a turn.
You know, let's say...
Redneck.
I don't know. Let's say you have 10 cards, 10 packs.
Lately risking people's lives like that.
Would you, would you just sell the pack?
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Would you sell the pack? You go, yeah, I'm going to do that. $300 for a pack of cards, please. Absolutely. Or would you open them in the hopes that you have the George Brett rookie for $10,000 or even more? The right card. I mean, it could be there.
You know how rich
I mean, you play the
are.
lottery. Some people play the lottery. Would you open the packs to find the George Brett for the $10,000, or would you sell the packs at $300 apiece if you had 10? Let's just say 10. I want to see what you would do. 916-921-1530. Then I have some serious stuff, but we'll start light. 800-834-1530. 921-1530. If you just want to help me with that, I'm just curious. All right. If not, we have other stuff too. I just I'm curious of your opinion. We'll continue straight ahead. Happy Thursday to you from the Power Show.
Your phone quit being just a phone years ago.
News Radio, we're way past being just a radio station.
We're on your computer, your smart speaker, even that high-tech thing in your pocket.
Listen to KFBK News Radio with your free iHeartRadio app or online at KFBK.com. You
listen to the Armstrong and Getty show regularly, you know my diet is horrible. That's why I've really gotten into these green drinks. Well, there's a lot of green drinks out there that give you all the nutrients you need, but most of them taste like they were sucked out of the bottom of a lawnmower. That's why we highly recommend Morning Man Green. Oh, yeah. Using it for a couple of months, the taste is really good. 70 ass-kicking vitamins, superfoods, probiotics, and enzymes packed into one simple scoop, like mainlining vegetables from Mother Nature herself. Makes me feel a lot better about myself when I eat bad all day long and then I get all my nutrients from Morning Man. Simplify your shopping list. No need to force-feed yourself endless servings of vegetables or take 12 different supplements. One scoop of Morning Man Greens and you're ready to take on the day like a boss. Morning Man is a 365-day, no-questions-asked money-back guarantee, 100% risk-free. Give it a try. Go to morningman.com. Use the code AG25 to save 25% off your first order. Fuel your greatness on the morning. Morningman.com. Use the code AG25. Morningman.com. Use the code AG25. If you're hiring, it can feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. You can
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Or you can just use ZipRecruiter. And now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. In fact, ZipRecruiter has helped a lot of business owners find their needle in a haystack. Like Marco, president of operations at Telly Tires and Auto Centers. Because Telly Tires has grown a lot in the last few years, Marco needed to hire everyone from a receptionist to a store manager to a head mechanic.
ZipRecruiter helps me find all the right people, even the most difficult jobs to fill. ZipRecruiter helps me keep my business running.
Take it from Marco and millions of other businesses who've used ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter can help you find the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/RADIO. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire.
Hear the latest news from the headlines on your phone. Download the free iHeartRadio app for exclusive live coverage of breaking news. From what's happening where you live to what's happening across the country. Live from the center of the story. Listen for free anywhere, anytime. Download the free iHeartRadio app today.
Traffic reports on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Love the show. First time caller. I just wanted to say, you know what? Life is too short. You've been hanging on to those packs for God knows how long. And definitely open those. And in fact, I would say open them on the air.
Oh.
Get the guy back in. You know, the guy that we had on yesterday.
Yeah.
And I'm going to what I would do. I would love to tune into that. I think that'd be fun and exciting. You know, like I said, life's too short now, and
open them up. All right, if I do that, John, because that is a great idea. If I do that, I'm doing it live on the air. I'll bring him back and we'll do it live on the air. Yeah, I would like to do that. Okay, I'll call him and I'll bring him back and we'll I'm going to think about that for a minute, but if I do that, then I'm going to do it just as you said, all right, John? Great idea.
arms, not social
Thank you, my
distancing.
friend. Yeah, I like that idea. That's very good. That's very good. We'll all be surprised together. I like that. Wow. I also have this story tonight.
Yeah, it's doesn't have a car.
Words will never hurt me. Apparently they're hurtful. Words can be hurtful, but in this context, come on now. Let me ask you, have you not heard of this? This is the, oh my God, I can barely believe this is true. This is this is HB 4474. What is that? This is in Michigan. Well, why do we care about Michigan? Well, hey, because, you know, it's a slippery slope, as they say. HB 4474, think about this now, would make it to